How to draw a referee, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So today we're going to be learning how to draw a cartoon referee. Let's go ahead and begin by simply drawing a curved line going from left to right towards the top center of the page. Nicely done! Next we're going to draw an additional curved line attached to the one that we just made on the top side. This will help us make the hat. Next, we just have to draw the bill of our hat by making a small curved line on this left point. Fantastic! Now that we're all done drawing the outline of the hat, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of the head. Let's begin right here on the right hand side by drawing the ear. Then, let's hop over to the left hand side and draw the outline of the left side of the face. For this side of the face, we'll just want to use a simple long curved line. Nice! So far this is coming along very well. Now on the inside of the face, I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes right below the hat. For each eye, I'm going to draw a small circle which will have a small white dot in the center. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's videos, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now for the nose of a referee, I will draw a simple sideways V line. Then for the mouth, right below the nose, I'm going to draw a simple curved line that will make it appear as if our referee is smiling. Great! Now before we draw the shirt, we're just going to want to close off the head, so we're going to want to go ahead and draw the neck, connecting the left side to the right. Well done! Now we're going to go ahead and draw the shirt, which will be connected to the neck that we just drew together. We're not going to draw the arms of our referee just yet. We can circle back to that a little bit later on in today's video. But an important part for this step to keep in mind is that each arm sleeve needs to be pretty similar in length. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. So now we have each of the arm sleeves drawn. Next we're going to want to go ahead and connect the left side to the right by drawing the bottom portion of the shirt. Fantastic! We'll have to come back and add detail to the shirt later as well. But for now, let's go ahead and draw the legs of our referee, beginning by drawing two long lines going down attached to the shirt on the left and right hand side. Now, attached to each of the bottom points of the lines that we just made, let's go ahead and draw the feet. To connect each of the feet that we just made, we're going to go ahead and draw a line that will go up and connect back down. Now we're not done with the bottom portion just yet. We still have to draw the belt, so let's go ahead and draw a curved line going from left to right below the pant line. For additional detail to the belt, we're going to want to draw a total of 6 small lines going up and down. For the next step, we're going to draw the arms as well as the hands of a referee. Let's go ahead and begin on the right hand side. For the first step, we're going to draw the arm. Now right where that opening is, we can go ahead and draw the hand. In total, our hand should have 5 fingers. Great! Now let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left hand side that we just did on the right. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below, and also if you'd like to show some team spirit, be sure to comment your favorite team name down below. Nice, now we're all done drawing the body of our referee. For the final step before we color, we'll want to go ahead and add the detail to the shirt. The first step of adding detail that I'll do will be to draw the collar right below the neck. Next, attached to the left and right collar, we're going to want to draw a small line which will help separate the colors. Now for the final step before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and draw 3 stripes. One in the center, one on the left hand side, and one on the right hand side. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a referee. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. I'll include a picture of my drawing all colored in next. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.